Top 8 healthy cooking oils you should start using now. A few oils are best for broiling, while some are better for basically sprinkling or utilizing as an enhancement. So here is our rundown of the best cooking oils. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil, known for its job in the Mediterranean diet, is bountiful in solid unsaturated fats and cell reinforcements. An enormous meta-examination done in 2014 observed that the unsaturated fats in olive oil had the option to decrease the hazard of cardiovascular illness and stroke. Unripe olives make the oil more extravagant in solid polyphenols and extremely high in cell reinforcements. Additional virgin olive oil has a moderately low smoke point, so it's best for sautéing over medium intensity or broiling underneath those temperatures. 2. Avocado oil. This oil extracted from the tissue of squeezed avocados, tastes gentle and high smoke point, so it's ideal for practically any cooking involved in the kitchen. The gentle flavor is exceptionally adaptable, which is the reason avocado oil is the ideal solid trait in any prepared merchandise. 3. Flax Seed Oil. Bountiful in monounsaturated fats, flax seed oil requires refrigeration that is extremely delicate to warm, as it can go malodorous and oxidize rapidly. Flax seed oil has a somewhat nutty flavor and is best for salad dressings and showering. 4. Peanut oil. The very thing that makes peanut oil such a supplement force to be reckoned with is the main nut with a great wellspring of plant omega-3s, ALA, make its oil a superb completing fixing to sprinkle and pour on finished dishes. Have a go at utilizing peanut oil in pasta dishes and sprinkle it over salad or a squash-based soup as a finisher. 5. Walnut oil. There are maybe 1 or 2 sorts of walnut oil, each made utilizing an alternate method and offering a scope of flavors from gentle and sweet to solid and nutty. 6. Sesame oil. There is proof that sesame oil might decrease pulse too. Toasted sesame oil includes seeds that are simmered ahead of time, yet the extraction cycle is something similar. This oil contains sesamol and sesamin, which are strong cancer prevention agents. 7. Coconut oil. Assuming that you in all actuality do substitute coconut oil for margarine in prepared merchandise, you'll need to use around 25% less coconut oil than the called for measure of spread, since coconut oil has a higher level of fat solids. 8. Canola oil. The main issue is that canola oil will in general be profoundly handled, so searching for cold squeezed and a decent quality brand is vital. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.